with you, baby. You're a big baby. Big one.
She's out? Yes, she's.
Hello, mommy.
Oh, cry, mama, cry.
Oh, yes?
She has time. She has 1 minute.
Hello. Come on, catch. You, baby. Yeah.
Oh, my God.
Great.
The goodness has begun. My cousin seasoning up goat to cook for dinner. She put in her magic touch on it.
Indian curry, not just an ordinary curry.
Indian curry, and then what you call this again?
A mixed seasoning.
Just mixed seasoning.
Yeah, because it's got in the thyme.
That special type of mixed season though.
Yeah, from Jamaica.
Yeah.
It's got the pimento, the thyme, the
Everything.
Everything.
Everything in it. And she pressuring peas. And what else you say you're going to cook?
fried chicken, potato salad.
She said she having a Jamaica Sunday.
Every Sunday.
In Jamaica, naturally we always do two meats, right?
Yeah.
Fried chicken and something else. It's always fried chicken and something else. So she doing fried chicken, you said doing?
Yes.
She doing fried chicken and mutton and rice and peas, and I think she said she gonna do potato salad.
She's gonna make not 2 meats, she's gonna make 5 meats.
Oh God.
Babe, look, my sister. Say morning.
Morning, thanks.
Everybody is open about. The kids eat breakfast already? They make breakfast yet? Your kids don't make breakfast yet?
A Sunday, everybody just sleep on a big whack.
Really? Oh my God.
That's why I start early. I cook early.
Her kids are so different from Thai in comparison to how they eat. They eat anything for breakfast, like pasta, rice, fries. Her kids eat anything for breakfast. I like Tyler. You ask him what he wants for breakfast, toast and tea, and you guys know that's him all day, every day. Why you have that music playing in the background though? Alexa, pause. I'm here talking to you guys. I hope it's not too loud. You'll have to edit it out. But anyway, it's Sunday morning for us, and cousin is in the kitchen doing our do's. Doing her thing as usual, and baby girl is over here sleeping. I just put her down for a morning nap. Let's see if she's sleeping or she's up. Ha! Morning nap where? Look at those eyes. You ain't sleeping? Huh? I thought you're sleeping. No? No sleeping? Look at her.
Now it's cold like I want a good sweater.
Honey, you're too terrible. Listen, it's so hot here. We got little rain last night and it feels so good. We have the door open up, and babe is now saying that he's cold. He's crazy. You crazy? Natalie, say you're sick, you know?
I'm gonna carry him back to England.
I'll let him see weather.
Yeah, make him know what weather is. He'd probably be in sweater all year round.
Anyway, you guys, I am not jealous of you guys' Sunday dinner today because I'm getting real Sunday dinner. I'm getting real Sunday dinner today, so I'm not going to even ask you guys what you're cooking for dinner today because I don't want to know. Because I'm getting good food today. But I'm going to have small portions. I'm going to make sure Marian is not sharing my plate. Marian is not going to share my plate. I promise you. Because if Marian share my plate, so help me God, I'll be rolling in a barrel down my hill when she leave here. I won't be able to even walk. Anyway, guys, let me show you the kids and Ty. Hey! Say morning to the fans.
Morning, please.
What you doing?
I did 50, but I did the police over there.
You're the police. Say morning.
Morning, thanks. Yeah. Okay. 50 back, guys.
So they're playing. Richard, what you doing?
Come back here.
What are you doing? You're spelling?
Yeah.
Oh, you're spelling. Good job.
Yeah, boy.
Hey, hey. I think I'm what? I don't know what he's writing, but he's spelling away.
Let me see what's going on.
I am awesome.
Hey, I think I am. Please. We are.
I got something. You having fun with your cousins? Yeah. This looks so good. You add hot pepper in it already?
No man, that's a Coca-Cola.
Okay.
Just drop the pepper and drop it down until you get the flavor. Just the pepper I put them never eat.
That's true.
Yep.
All done seasoning.
Okay, the chicken.
Go take the Dutchy. So she browning it now, and then after her step from here, then she gonna transfer it to the pressure cooker. So she's taking off the mutton from the seasoning that she seasoned it with, and then she's gonna add the seasoning when it's finishing up, right?
Yeah. After I pressure and put it down.
Jeez, this smells so good. I haven't had curry goat in forever. Not even Mama's funeral, I didn't have it.
Yeah.
Jeez,
It didn't actually, yeah.
Food finish and everything, I didn't get to have any. Things on the chicken alone I had.
I got chicken and
taste.
fish, that was it.
Oh, so your peas gonna cook already? Yeah. Okay. It look like it just gone to me. I know it cooked fast in that sugar like 30 minutes, but you don't feel like it takes so long.
Oh yeah. Like a throw this in again.
Okay. And she seasoned chicken here to fry. And she have rice and peas but over there on that side. She dropped in fried chicken in there. She have rice and peas going here. She have potato salad, things cooking for potato salad here, and the mutton in the pressure cooker there. It's how much like you have in total?
How much I had? 4.
Put one more in there. What you have on your chicken?
Oh God. From the seasoning, from the get-go. Garlic, the onion, pinch of salt, the seasoning as usual.
Lift it off and put it down in the oil.
You know
no, lift off this.
Hold on. You know the seasoning we always use. Just season it up with that garlic, onion, that season, liquor salt, rub it up.
Okay.
And then when time we done that, we put on tap 2 eggs for them.
Okay, 2 eggs on it too.
Yeah.
And then in here you have cornmeal and flour.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Close it and you're good to go. End result of our fried chicken. That's there. So pretty.
Look at him smile. Him smile with his big food. Well, he didn't get no breakfast.
It doesn't matter, he always eats like that.
That's your breakfast and lunch and dinner.
No, this is just lunch.
This is just lunch.
I always think like this. No.
Yes, that looks yummy.
It looks very good. But look at the amount and he's gonna eat it all.
Oh, you found her!
I always think
So much.
I'm feeling like that. Look at the Mario's plate. Oh my god, you guys, look at my plate. Look at my plate. This smells so... Oh. And I'm gonna dig in right now. Right now. Sorry, you want some? Yes, I know. Look at you. Just chilling. She's just so relaxed. Relaxing with Papa. You guys, look who's out the house. I'm out the house. Baby girl is out of the house, but we're not too far away from home. We're at the park with all the kids. It's in the evening, so the sun is down, and it's not so hot today because it rained yesterday. So I just take a little walk with them to the park. There she is. She's sleeping. They're having fun. Yes. All right, go on, climb the slide. Go on, go climb the slide. Get up there, get up and go kick it. No hand punk, the Mario. Hey, you not make him play now. Tyler, you kick it with your foot. With your foot, pumpkin, foot. The Mario take the Mario, no, that sting. Go kick it, go kick it. Watch these two divas. Watch these two. Papa's boy and the entire crew.